This is my girl Peyton. And I adopted Peyton about a year and a half ago out of Tennessee. She's an Australian Shepherd Collie mix. I'm asking you, if you're in the market for a dog, check your local shelter. Every 8 seconds, a dog is placed in a shelter, and 5 out of 10 of those dogs don't survive. They have a 36-hour window to stay healthy. If they get sick, they really don't have a chance. I found Peyton on Pet Finder. It's a great website to find shelters that are looking for nice homes for dogs. So if you're in the market for a dog,